Matar Aloo Whale Chawal. Let's start. 1 cup oil, 1 onion paste, a half kg peas, 1 ginger paste, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons rock salt, 1 cup of water, 6 green chilies paste, a half kg potato, 3 cup of soaked rice, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon zira or cumin, 1 tablespoon supadanya or dry coriander powder, 6 cup of water, ready to dish out. Yummy! Like the video. Subscribe the channel. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.